Where to invest money? Why lower risk is a smarter choice. Everyone wants to double their money fast. But what if I told you the key to long-term wealth isn't big risk? It's smart safety asterisk. When it comes to investing, there's always a trade-off, risk versus reward. But here's the truth. The people who build real wealth aren't constantly chasing high returns. They're focused on preserving their money and letting it grow steadily. Main point 1. The myth of high risk equals high reward. Sure, risky investments like crypto or penny stocks can shoot up, but they can also crash overnight. It's like gambling, and most gamblers lose. High risk often brings high stress, and that's not a smart financial strategy. Main point 2. Why low risk is better. Low risk investments, like index funds, government bonds, or high yield savings accounts, may not be flashy, but they're reliable. Over time, they give you compounding growth and protect your capital. That means you're not just making money, you're not losing it either. Think of it this way. If you avoid a big loss, you don't have to work twice as hard to recover it. Example, Warren Buffett's approach. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors alive, avoids unnecessary risk. His 1 rule? Don't lose money. His 2 rule? Don't forget rule 1, that says everything. Conclusion. So, if you're asking where to invest your money, start with places that give you peace of mind and steady growth. Long-term wealth isn't built on risky bets. It's built on patience, consistency, and smart protection of your money. Invest smart. Think long-term. And remember, keeping your money safe is a win all by itself.